Hey guys, we got another Scorpion blaster for you. I think I also mentioned that I told you I thought we were going to see more of these on Amazon, and we have. So this is a little different design, but it looks like it's the exact same accessories as we saw with the previous one I showed you. This is from the seller or brand PlusBee, and this is their CZ Scorpion EVO. So we'll go ahead and take a look at everything that it comes with. We'll put it together, get it ready to shoot, and of course we'll test it and test FPS. But based on what I see here, it is identical to the other one I've shown you. So really just go off of the design you like and then the price at that time, depending what's on sale from which seller. So everything you see here comes there in the box, obviously. Gel beads, they give you 30,000, so you get 6 packs of 5,000. Make sure you're soaking those properly. They must be 7 to 8 millimeters for your blasters to work. If you don't know how to do that, please watch one of my detailed videos on soaking gel beads, because that's critical and you need to do it. So please make sure you know what you're doing. Then we've got your magazine right here. So it's a nice magazine. It is motorized, right? So again, that's going to pull power from the battery here, run the motor in there, fill up that feed tube, give you a much better, more consistent performance than mechanical magazines. This is where you load it up. And this is the button that pushes down there for the feed tube. So when you're done playing, make sure it is completely empty, shake any out, and even push this button and give it a few good whips to clear any out of the feed tube, and then just give it a chance to dry out when you're not using it. That way you'll get the best performance and the longest use out of the magazine, right? Battery right here, it is it's 500 mAh, 7.4 volt battery, right? It's the 2-plug connection. So you got your 2-pin JST for the blaster and your white plug here for the charger. Of course, it comes with your USB charger. Plug it into any AC adapter, charge it up, get it ready to go. Before I forget, of course, it comes with safety glasses too. We'll put those over the side now. Battery goes in here. So the way this works is you just push it forward, or back, I guess you'd say, towards the back, pops up, and here's your harness. So the best way for this one to work, I found, is obviously we're going to plug it in, and then you're going to want to push the harness in. Either direction is fine, but have the wires down on the battery so you can really push that battery down in, and then this is just going to fit in on top of it and click in place. Okay, so we got the battery in there. All right, we know it's shooting, or know we got power. Go ahead, turn the safety on. And let's look at the blaster before we put any accessories on. Side rails on both sides, of course, bottom rail, top rail, mag release. So to show you how that works, of course, magazine's in there, it's locked in. Just click that forward to unlock it. Got your safety here, and then your single shot, automatic. Okay? So it does seem to have a little bit of play there. So just, you got to get it in the right spot. All right. Stock folds, which is cool. So that just clips in place like that. Here's your stock release. And there's actually a little spot over here that holds it. So you do need to pop, kind of give it some pressure to pop it off. Right. And then you can pull here and you can telescope. All right. So that's cool too. So then let's talk about charging handle. You got your charging handle here, and that's actually going to prime the magazine. So what that means is that when you pull back on it, we should be able to run the motor in it. You can hear the motor running. So the motor's running in here, feed tube's filling up, so it's ready to shoot. So that's a nice feature to have too, that the Scorpions have. All right, when it comes to accessories, little thumb grip here, slide on if you want to use that. Your birdcage flash hider goes on right there. Front sight and rear sight. All right, so there it is. All the same accessories I've shown you with the other one. This one's from PlusBee. It's on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description, of course. And we'll shoot this. We'll test the FPS. I'm going to expect similar performance, but you never know. So I'll just tag that on to the end of this video. Thanks. All right, guys, we got the PlusBee EVO Scorpion right here, or CZ Scorpion EVO. Anyway, this is the second one we've seen on Amazon now, a little different design on it. Both, I imagine, are the exact same blasters, but let's shoot them and check it out. So obviously we got your magazine here, your mag release. got your charging handle here, so if you pull it back, you can hear it running. Okay, so that's filling up that feed tube, right? Have your stock, it can telescope, and it can fold. So you got a couple different options there with that, which is cool. And then this one does have actual semi-automatic, right? Or fully automatic. So let's put in automatic, fully automatic for the sake of this. All right, so 15 feet out, of course, no problem, accurate. Let's see, that far target's about 40. You know, definitely hitting that without altitude loss. So you probably do get about 70 feet or so with this one. Let's see where we're at on the FPS. Okay, everything except one was over 200, most of them in 205 to 210. So I definitely think you would say 200 plus average or 205 average, and that's definitely a fair conservative number here for the PlusBee CZ Scorpion EVO. What do you guys think? Comments, questions, post them, of course. Please like, please subscribe, and of course share my channel with your friends, and make sure you participate in all the giveaways. Thanks a lot.